what got you into computer science and software development, and what things kind of happened in your life that made you think, oh, it's time to pivot to something else?
Yeah, absolutely. So I love telling the story about how I found computer science because I was not a technically inclined gal. I had like one family computer growing up. I wasn't allowed to have a MySpace. I know a lot of people
Oh
dabbled in
no!
HTML with MySpace, right? So that it was never on my radar. I actually went to school to study math, and I was a math girl, math nerd through and through, and that was what I thought was going to be my thing for life. And I was stuck in a programming fundamentals class as an elective for my math degree, and
Oh,
had
okay.
a professor who was just such a great teacher. And I'll talk a bit more about that in a second, but I ended up just loving the concepts. And mind you, my first class, I went home and cried because I was like, I don't fit in. I don't know anything
Oh,
about tech. I don't know about video games. I don't know about, and now
yes.
I play video games. I've gone to the dark side. But like
Right.
at that
Yep.
time, I was not even close to immersed in that world, but I kept showing up, right? I was like, this isn't going to get me. All these other things beforehand have not gotten me. This class is not going to get me, right? So I kept showing up, kept going, and I was like, hey, I'm kind of starting to like this computer science thing, right? Getting all the assignments done. And towards the end of the semester, my professor actually pulled me aside and said, hey, like, you're really good at this. Like, do you know that you could have a career out
Okay.
of this? And I was like, oh, like truly, I didn't know that very well because I was streamlined focused on this one thing, which is always, it always ends up changing, right? When you think you're locked in on one
Yep.
thing, it's always going to change. But it just kind of validated me a little bit to think like, yeah, I am actually good at this. And this person who's director of app development at his company and also teaches computer science, like he thinks I can do this. So I now think I can do this, right? So